Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about Inqilab. Let's start off by shining a bit of light on Moza. Moza believes in bridging social gaps that exist in our society. Moza wants to do that by empowering the lesser privileged through education. They have actually been sponsoring the education of 16 children for the past 20 months. That's how long they have been in existence for. Now, how Moza raises its fund is its unique selling proposition. Moza believes in sustainability. Hence, Moza created Pappu. Pappu is primarily a marketing product. Moza wants to work towards making supporting Pappu a fashion statement. And to some extent, it has achieved that. It has around 20,000 followers on social networking sites. Basically, what Moza does is Moza creates products that center around the life of Pappu, and all the profits that they generate go towards the education, towards supporting the education of Pappu. Now, Inqilab, the idea. Primarily, what we want to achieve through Inqilab is to promote critical thinking amongst the underprivileged youngsters of class 9 and 10. Typically, ये देखा जाता है कि क्लास 9 और 10 के जो बच्चे होते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में या हमारे माशरे में, वो सिर्फ रट्टा लगाते हैं. रट्टा लगाने के अलावा वो कुछ नहीं करते. उन्हें कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है कि उन्होंने क्या पढ़ा है क्लास में और क्या सीखा है. वो बस रट्टा लगाते हैं, वही चीज़ जो है वो पेपर में लिख कर आ जाते हैं. वी वॉन्ट टू चेंज दैट. We want to actually make them learn from what they are actually trying to ratify. So for that, what we have done is that we have designed a 24-week long curriculum जिसके अंदर हमने issues such as business, social sciences और क्या कहते हैं implementation of science in their daily lives कवर किया है. सबसे मज़े की बात यह है कि lectures जो हैं are moduled on a distance learning basis. यानी कि क्या कहते हैं हम आप जो हो लंदन में बैठे हुए लियारी के अंदर जो है लेक्चर डिलीवर कर सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ द प्रोसेस वर्क सिंपल. मौजा ने क्या कहते हैं सबसे पहले करिकुलम सेट किया, टीचर्स आइडेंटिफाई किए, टीचर्स ने लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड किए, हमें भेज दिए. यहाँ पे व्हाट वी वांट टू डू इज वी वांट टू इवेंचुअली मूव टूवर्ड्स a model where teachers are delivering the lectures live. ठीक है. लेकिन at this point in time हमारी resources नहीं है. Then Moza facilitates the delivery of the lectures. The audience absorbs the lecture. The audience is tested by being asked to solve a case study, or the best answer is rewarded. Now, why fund us? To basically help us craft a generation of Pakistanis who understand their civil and professional responsibilities and possess skill sets that can help Pakistan achieve its zenith. Now, social impact of the project. Basically, this project would allow us to shape a future generation of low working class individuals who would be equipped with the power of critical thinking, which would encourage one to absorb more knowledge and would help them make better decisions. They won't be just acting on their instinct, they would be making more informed decisions. That will help reduce a lot of social problems. How would it change Pakistan in the long run? It'll help us maintain a middle class, not only maintain, but it'll help us expand a middle class, which will help our economy to a great extent. It'll help increase the literacy rate in the literal sense. सिर्फ वो लोग नहीं जो साइन कर सकते हैं, बल्कि एक्चुअली वो लोग जो कुछ पढ़ना लिखना जानते हैं. हेल्प अस ग्रूम अ सोशली रिस्पॉन्सिबल अपर मिडिल क्लास. ठीक है. अब हमारे सोशल सर्कल की जब बात आती है तो पप्पू जो मौजा ने प्रोडक्ट्स बनाई हैं दैट आर दे टू एड्रेस द सोशल सर्कल. हमने जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाई हैं वो प्रोडक्ट जो है रिलेट करती हैं टू पप्पूज डेली लाइफ, और वो प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसी हैं जो लोग अपर वर्किंग क्लास में ऑन ए डेली बेसिस यूज़ करते हैं. जब वो यूज़ करते हैं तो उनके अंदर जो है सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी री इन्फोर्स होता है, और जैसे ही वो सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी री इन्फोर्स होता है दे स्टार्ट ओनिंग अप टू द प्रॉब्लम of illiteracy in our society. These are a list of things that we would spend our money on. Pappu magazine is a bit different as I'm a bit short on time. So get in touch with me if you want to know about more about Pappu magazine. It's along the lines of Big Issue. Basically, it is a magazine for Pappus by Pappus. हमने क्या कहते हैं previously एक pilot project run किया है लांडी में, which was very successful. It was an 8-week long project. हमारे जितने भी lecturers थे were all Pakistani students based in studying in universities in England. We had the teachers from University of Oxford, London School of Economics, etc., etc. And जो बच्चे थे उनका mindset changed dramatically. Now, thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.